Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change graphic style in Undawn game. To change the graphic style in Undawn, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Undawn game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on Settings at the bottom right corner. And after you're inside this settings menu, select video option from the right corner, scroll down under video option and look for this graphic style tab. Here you'll find different graphic style such as classic, survival, colorful, gentle, movie, etc. Just choose the one you'd like to try out and click on confirm. Right after you select confirm, get back to the game and you'll be able to see your visual difference immediately. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your graphic style in Undawn. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.